Hello and welcome to another Recipe Wednesday as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. The Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge is a way to get kids involved in thinking about what they're putting in their body and what physical activity they're getting each day. We encourage you to participate by checking out all the resources in our Google Drive, and you can find that link in our description of the video. Today's recipe is going to be a twist on the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We're going to be making PB&J Energy Bites. So I have some really great helpers returning. They are
Justice and Elijah.
And then we have a new person today, which is
Bria.
Okay, so Bria's going to start by telling us the ingredients that we need for this recipe.
1/3 cup jelly or honey, 1/3 cup peanut butter, 1 cup instant non-fat dry milk, 1/2 cup cereal flakes.
Okay, so you don't need very many things for this recipe. It's super simple. So we're going to start by taking a Ziploc bag and we're going to put 1/2 cup of our cereal flakes into that bag. So I'm going to pour those in here. Bria's going to hold the bag open in case we spill any. Okay. So now Bria's going to zip up that bag and she's going to use her hands to crush all those cereal flakes so it's a fine powder. So now we're going to start on our mixture. So we're going to take 1/3 cup of both the jelly and the peanut butter. So Justice is going to help with the jelly. I'm going to kind of measure it out for her since it is a little difficult to measure jelly and peanut butter just because they are thicker. So we have a tablecloth that we're using in case we spill any. It won't be an issue, but you're going to fill up your 1/3 cup until it's level. So Justice is going to add that to our bowl. Perfect. Now using that same measuring cup, we're now going to add our peanut butter. Okay, and now our peanut butter is full, so Alicia is going to take a spatula and she's going to get that peanut butter out and in the bowl. Great job, thank you very much. I'm going to get any leftovers that we have, and then I'm going to give it a good mix in the bowl. We want this to be a consistent mixture, so you're not going to see any variation in the peanut butter and jelly. It's just going to be one mixture here. Okay, so now our mixture is finished. So I'm going to pass the bowl over to Bria because now we're going to add our non-fat dry milk. So this is a whole cup of milk and Bria's going to mix that in, just adding a little bit at a time. So I'm going to add some and she's going to go ahead and stir again. We're going to keep adding a little bit of milk at a time and stir until it's mixed. Okay, I have my last little bit of milk here, and when you get to the ends, it's going to be very thick, and you actually might need your hands to mix it. So Bria's going to start with her spatula, give it a good mix, but then she's going to go ahead and get her hands in there and start mixing it with her hands. Once it's pretty well mixed, it will be a really thick dough consistency. So then you are going to scoop out a little bit of your dough mixture and you're going to form it into balls. So I'm going to go ahead and give some to each of the girls and they're going to make a little energy bite. While they're doing that, I'm going to take our crushed up cereal and I'm going to spread it out evenly over some parchment paper that I have on top of a baking sheet. This is going to be the mixture that we roll our energy bites in. So once the balls are formed, you can go ahead and roll them in the cereal, girls. Once they're really well coated, you can put them in an airtight container. There we go. And if you need more cereal, just go ahead and put some more in your bag, crush up a little bit more. But you're going to make all of your energy bites from your dough mixture. So we're going to do that now. So now we have all of our energy bites in our container. And so you refrigerate these. You can keep them up to a couple of days. But we want to go ahead and try these. So I'm going to give one bite to each of the girls. When you put them in the refrigerator, they'll also form a little bit better and they'll kind of harden up. So, girls, are you ready to try our PB&J energy bites?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think? Good job. So this is just a twist on a classic recipe. We hope that you try this, and we hope that you continue with the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. Remember that all the resources are available on our Google Drive, which you can find in the link of this video. We really appreciate you joining us,